God, I have a cool idea. Let's put it up and on the floor. Let's do that up very fast, okay? Let's do fast. Hi guys, let's put it up there. Hello guys, welcome to Fun with Keyaan. We're going to make a helicopter in 5 minutes. We need pencil, cello-tape and scissors. We need paper of this size. So let's use the paper to cut into this size. Fold the paper.
Good job, yeah. Now let's take.
You can ask your mom and dad to cut it because it's sharp.
Scissor is very sharp. Okay. Now you have this size of paper. Now what do you have to do? Just fold it in the half size. Let's mark one line on one side of the paper, alright?
Okay.
So it's a horizontal line.
I can do that.
I'll just help you with it.
Now,
Now on the other side. Now again we need a scissor. Okay. So where there is only slanting line, horizontal line where we have to cut in half.
I can't do it because it's very sharp, the scissors.
Fold this. You know how to fold? Can you do it? Very well done. Just see the edges, Keyaan. Can I help you? You're doing it good, but still I'll help you, okay? This on one side. Yeah. Okay. And now flip the other side this way. Now flip it. Yeah. Now again fold. It's all right. All ready, okay? But still,
and this is the wing. This is the face.
Correct. Now, what we need some weight so that when it is falling down, it is falling properly. Otherwise, it will go in wrong direction.
And this is the back.
Okay. So we'll just put
and this is
cello-tape
the head.
at the end. Okay, just hold it, honey. Okay. bit of more cello-tape. Now it's ready. Alright?
If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel over here.